Asuntoskeittiö, koulupuisto.
This was very nice today on the 16th of July 2025. Is it the Kirkkokatu one or
Yeah.
staircase C? We feel staircase B also, and we need to film also the staircase there. It's also in Lahti, Finland. And I think I filmed this before. This building, and the capacity is 4 bus, I think 20 rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was too difficult. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was also been built in 1956. The last thing, is it 1994?
95.
95. Yeah. And the six field was modernized in late 1994.
Yeah.
Series 6561 is 40, the basement floor. 10 floors here. 2 uprights. Somebody use.
Mm. Mm.
No, it was using the stars on. That is maybe the beginning of 1995.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, but dit pakje wijs ik dat met een pak gewoon.
Oh yeah, the gas.
Yeah.
I love this sounds and smell you.
Same.
That sounds from the elevator.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's it then. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully we can get to the staircase D as well.
Yeah. That's